How to connect Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to Xbox. I'm going to tell you how to connect Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to Xbox. The key is linking both consoles to the same Epic Games account. Start by going to the Epic Games website and logging into your account linked to your Nintendo Switch Fortnite profile. If you've never created an Epic account, you'll need to make one and link it to your Switch first. Once you're signed in, head to the Connections tab under your account settings and select Accounts. From there, link your Xbox account by signing in with your Microsoft credentials. This syncs your progress, cosmetics, and V-Bucks across platforms. After linking, when you launch Fortnite on Xbox, it will automatically load your existing account. Just make sure you only link each platform once. Unlinking can cause data issues. With everything connected, you can jump between Switch and Xbox without losing a single win.